Hello everyone, I Sharita welcome you to my channel Sarita's English Corner, and in this video I will tell you very easy and useful trick how you can describe anything in English. So as you can see, the weather is really pleasant because it has been raining on and off for 3 days, and as we all know, winter is approaching, so now we need to take care of ourselves. As you can see, the sky is completely covered with clouds and a gentle breeze is blowing. Because of that, the weather has become more pleasant, and it looks like it might rain today, but I hope it doesn't, because rain could harm our crops, because we are about to harvest our paddy. So for that we need dry weather, and you can see I have planted many plants in my balcony, and they are looking amazing thanks to weather and winter. And I am a nature lover, so I always try to describe nature. So if you want to improve your English, please try this method. You will definitely learn lots of things, and I will tell you how you can improve your knowledge and how you can learn this language effortlessly. If you try to learn every day bit by bit, definitely you will learn this language, because it's a kind of language that is not our native language, and most of the time we speak our native language. Because of that, when it comes to speaking English, we feel more difficult. So now we need to change our environment. Like, we have to make an environment where we should speak English most of the time. I know it's not easy because we don't know English. In our family member, they don't know English. So how we can speak? So we need to describe things. And when you do practice it yourself, you can see differences in a few days. And just try to take a little things like fridge. Just try to describe why fridge is very useful for you. What do you do with fridge? And in this way, you can improve your English and you can learn lots of new vocabulary related to fridge. Words are very important for our English language. Words play crucial role. If you don't know words, you are not able to elaborate your thought. So I think there are many ways to learn this language. If you are able to take classes, then go for it. But if you are not able to take classes, then you can learn English by your own self. But there is one compulsion: you have to do practice regularly. Whether you have a partner or not, you can do. You can do self-talk. Self-talk is very important. When you do self-talk, you can rectify your mistakes effortlessly. Because when we talk to others, we feel nervous, and because of nervous, we don't focus on our communication skill. We just try to speak at anyhow, and that is why we make even more mistake. But if you follow shadowing and self talk, so your beginning time, you can help yourself, because you cannot talk to others every time. You don't have much time. If I talk about housewives and mothers, so they don't have much time. So we need to talk English according to our work. If you are rolling chapati, then you speak about chapati, about kitchen. So I think this video will help you a lot. So please like, subscribe and share, and I will create new video again, and I will try to help you more and more.